What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Guns and Tactics. My name is Rex and I need a haircut. Anyway, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Atlas Gunworks Athena 2011 double stack performance badass. Anyway, without further ado, let's go.
It's good. I f***ed up too.
I do that all the time. Is it recording?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
So before we start the show, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the lower right corner of your screen, hit that like button and that bell button so you receive notifications anytime we drop a video. And if you're wondering where I got this cool shirt, make sure you hit up Retro Rifle, follow them on Instagram and things like that so you're up to date on when they're dropping these limited edition tees. Thanks to Rainier Arms for letting me review this gun. Been super stoked and excited to deliver a review for you guys for this specific pistol, but ran into a little bit of a snafu the first time out on the range. Now, the Atlas Gunworks Athena is an absolute beast of a 2011. The difference between the 2011 and 1911 is the capacity. The 2011s are double stack, 1911s are single stack. Suffice to say, the Athena is a purpose-built, performance-driven pistol designed for competition and also duty or defense use. It was designed specifically to be able to run factory loads of 9mm ammo. So everything is polished and fit, and just to fit absolutely perfectly. Like, you'll hear this, like, listen to that. Absolute butter. This thing is so much fun to shoot. I mean, it's a big, heavy 9mm double stack. The trigger's about 8.5 pounds with a very short travel and a very, very short and light reset with solo recoil that you want to keep just pulling that trigger to go faster and faster just to hear that steel ring. Admittedly, this gun can go a lot faster than my abilities can. It's obvious that this gun is purpose-built for performance, and with a price tag like it does, it has to perform. So the shooting characteristics of this gun, I mean, it's soft shooting, not too snappy. I mean, it is a big full metal pistol. With 9mm coming out of this thing, it's like nothing. The slide cuts in the front also help with lightening the weight of the mass slinging back to the rear, so perceived recoil is not that bad. The slide cuts in the front, which also double as front serrations, help with press checks and charging the gun, since the slide doesn't lock back on this version. Which brings me to another feature or lack thereof. With this version, the slide doesn't lock back. And from what I've read, the version 2 is the one that does lock back to the rear. So if that's something that matters to you, say for duty, use, or defense, then the V2 is definitely the way to go. But if it's for competition, the version 1 will do just fine. The grip has this beefy off-road tread pattern that, it being an off-road tread pattern, allows for improved traction, especially during wet or muddy conditions. It has undercuts built into the grip, something that you'd see in like custom polymer framework, like if you get it stippled or whatnot. But with this, it's already built into the design. The grip safety is deleted. Being a competition-based pistol, this may or may not be something that matters to you. But for some, it may be a little unnerving, especially for those traditional 1911, 2011 style enthusiasts. This does not affect the safety at all, since the thumb safety is still present and very effective. The gun will not go bang without your booger hook. Guns do come optics ready, however you can get them in whatever configuration you'd like as far as front side and rear side configurations. They are heavily marketed with the Trijicon SRO. It will come with a rear plate to fit whatever optics that you have, but it runs very well with the SRO. The sights are designed to fit a lower 1/3 co-witness with the SRO. The SRO also makes for a good charging handle since, like I said, this doesn't lock back to the rear. It has a built-in flared magwell that allows for fast reloads. My friends absolutely love shooting this thing, just as I did. You can get this with or without the front rail. Lead times may vary. Right now I think it's about 6 to 8 months, but like I had mentioned, these are available at Rainier Arms right now. Shameless plug. Fit and finish are exactly what you'd expect from a gun this top notch. I mean, it is absolutely pristine. Tolerances are nice and tight, and this thing moves like butter. It's so smooth. It is just like, it is a joy to shoot. Because of the hefty price tag, it definitely markets to a specific crowd. It markets to a crowd with deeper pockets, either competition shooters or enthusiasts with money to burn. Now, would I buy and own a gun like this? Yeah, if I had the money, sure. But the way my budget sits right now, it allows only for so much fun and plinking, especially with how much ammo prices go nowadays. I feel that a majority of gun owners and gun enthusiasts out there would feel the same way. Unless you're a 1911/2011 aficionado, this is probably something you'll take a pass on. But if you are dead set on getting this and you are okay going on a ramen diet for a few months, then go right ahead. I mean, for $5,000 you can get some night vision goggles, you can get a very good safe, you can get a used motorcycle, you could lift the truck that you've always been wanting to lift. I mean, you could do a lot of things with $5,000. That doesn't mean it's not worth it. It just, you know, it's a matter of, is it worth it for you right now? And for me, it doesn't. And there you have it, guys. That is my review of the Atlas Gunworks Athena. Go ahead and check them out on atlasgunworks.com to see their available guns on their website. Head over to Rainier Arms. They do have these in stock right now at Rainier Arms. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and that bell button. Make sure to write, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace!
We work really hard to make content that we hope you as a shooter would enjoy. Subscribe to our channel, check out our featured videos and playlists, and if you have a question firearms related, go ahead and send an email to the address shown on the screen to be entered into our monthly QA series.